Real quick, while I'm here, QR codes.
Oh yeah,
Create a new QR code. You type in whatever you want to call it. You're going to have them go to a calendar. Then here you type in your QR code, veritech.com/calendar. And then the next page, you can personalize this to however you want it. What colors you want to use. You can even upload a logo.
nice.
One in here already.
There it is.
Let's do a different one because that's big.
Yeah, they can't see that one. Use that one. There we
There's
go.
that.
I was wondering where you got that. Yeah, because I've been using my Corel Draw to generate my barcodes. So I would, however, recommend don't get too fancy with these things, okay, in terms of color, because you need good contrast for the phones to be able to read the QR code. I've seen too many that my phone won't read, and just because the color and the contrast isn't good.
Yeah, you got
So
to make sure that the phone can read the stuff. I'm going to go ahead and save this, Jim, because it's close to what you want, I think. So you can come back
good.
here and edit it
Go,
anytime
yeah,
you want.
I can come back in and edit it, and that's great.
Yep.
Yeah,
And then just click download whatever file format you
yeah,
want.
perfect. Yeah,
And then for the automation, over here in automation on the left is your home for everything. NDA workflow. We have a trigger here that they book an appointment. It's going to send off contract that Jim has in here for a non-disclosure agreement, and then kick off an email. So here's where your automation is, and you can add and subtract to this as much as you want.
perfect.
If you want to make the email HTML encoded and pretty, you can go and create it under marketing, and then you come back here and pick a template, and you can connect the template that way.
So there you go. I did have a
There you
question
go.
after all. Did that bury you guys at all? It probably did because there was a lot
Um,
of.
on the automation, can you add a DocuSign?
So you don't need DocuSign. The system can do it. You can create documents in
Uh-huh.
here under payments and documents. You can create the document, the PDF here that you want,
Uh-huh.
and then it'll do the signing for you. That's what the
Huh.
NDA Jim's sending out is it's a document that sends and asks for their signature.
So yeah, I was wondering where those were. It's under payments. That's weird.
Yep.
Okay, but perfect. Yeah, yeah, we have our own DocuSign. It's just not DocuSign.
Yeah, you can actually add invoices to it as well. You can insert
Oh
invoices
yeah,
and all that, which is
yeah.
great. So once everybody signs, boom, the invoice goes out and that's great. That's
Yeah.
great.
And
So
is
like if
this,
you're doing a coaching agreement, you can do that. Or if you're doing like a proposal, like I do a lot, I do the proposal and then once they sign, agree, yes, I'll pay you for those services. It sends off an
Mhm.
invoice and you're not involved at all. It just happens automatically.
They can be
Michelle,
recurring
do you
as
have a
well.
question?